We're back for question number 2. So in this one, we've got a company in Europe. But before we just start reading the details, the data we're going to need, I always like to, again, go to the question, which usually happens at the end. So it's almost like you're reading this thing backward. Look for the question. Here's the question, and we'll come back. Go back to the start of this sentence. And the question sort of is, if one male student, one male and one female, not students, they're probably employees, right? One male and one female are randomly chosen, what is the probability that both are smokers? So now that we know the question, let's read the details. Company Europe has 124 male smokers and 186 male non-smokers. We assume they're employees. And then we've got 50 female smokers and 140 female non-smokers. So again, with probability, we're just interested in the number, we're counting the number that we're looking for, which in this case are smokers, divided by the total number of all. And in this case, we are segregating of some sort of our choices. We're going to make sure we get one male and one female. So we can think of them as being broken into two different groups. And when we have two things happening, basically a first choice from the group of males and then another choice from the group of females, could be done in either order, it's not important. What we're going to do is use the multiplication principle. So we have a first choice, a second choice. We're going to find the probability of each, and then we're going to multiply them, and that will give us our answer. So we need to look at the male. How many smokers do we have in the male group? Well, we have, switch our color of our pen a little bit to make it a little clearer. Let's go with the light blue, sky blue. So we're going to get a fraction. We know there's 124 male smokers. That will go in the top. The bottom will be the total number of males. And so we add together the 186 who are non-smokers with the 124 who are smokers, and we find that there are 10, 11, 310 males at the company. Do the same thing for the females. We can just kind of look here. There are 50 female smokers, so we know that number is going to go in the top of the fraction. And there's 140 female non-smokers, so that allows us to get at the total number of females. 140 plus 60. Give it the 200. And now we just need to multiply these two. So I'm going to come, let's see if I can find it. I have the Alex calculator here, and the way we use this one, switch over to this. So we're going to just put in these two fractions here. So we'll do 124 divided by 310, and then take your mouse and click up here. We multiply by 60 divided by 200. And all we do is hit enter, and we get 0.12, which is 12%. 12% probability that between those two we get a smoker. So this becomes down here equal to 0.12. And they ask us not to round it, so do get the full amount of decimals there, 12%. Okay, so that's question 2, and I'm going to take a little break, then we'll go on to question 3 for those who need it.